Hi everyone, in this video we discuss about a zip file. So what is a zip file? Zip file is a collection of folders. So basically we want to share multiple folders at a once. So in this case we use zip file. Now we see how to create a zip file. Now go to file, explore, and you can see here this is the e-learning capstone project. This is the major project, and you can see here there are sub multiple folders or files here, and I want to create zip file and share it with a friend. So how to create zip file? So you can see here this folder, and you can see here this folder. I want to create zip file for this folder. So you simply click on it and double click on it, and you can see here add to archive. So now, and you can see here this option. So you simply click on first option, and you can see here this is the archive name and parameters. So there are lots of tabs just like advanced, options, files, backup, but we only operation perform on general tab. So here your file name, and there are various formats, RAR, RAR4, but we want to create a zip file. So now select here a zip format, and you can see here the file extension is .zip. Now this all set. This is the additional for if you want to set a password for your zip file. So there are also options are provided. So you simply click on set password, and they ask for a set new password. Now you can share this zip file with the various platform. Our zip file are ready, but now we see how to extract this zip file. So go to the folder where you want to extract your zip file, and you can see here this is the folder. Here I want to extract this zip file. You simply click on it and right click on it, and you can see here extract files. Using this option you extract this file, the specific folder, specific location, but I want to extract this file, this folder. So I just click on it, double click on it, and you can see here extract, here click on it. Now they ask for password. You can see here the folder are generated, but not copy the files because they ask for password. So here we set 1234 password. Now fill it and click on OK, and you can see here all files are copied. In this way you also create a zip file for sharing the large major projects. So I hope so this video is little helpful for you. Please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.